Junior, thank you. I'm sorry because my voice is not voicing. So, I'm so sorry, guys. Guys, please help me quota so I can quota you when I get my quota. Guys, help me, guys. I have a quota. If you help me, I will be your girlfriend. Ang dali girlfriend yung ulan. Kakainin ko yan. Kakainin ko yung hotdog mo. Ay, hindi. John. Papa. Gabi tawagan yun. Tangin na kasi dami ng scam sa ano dyan. Hindi ko na pinakalimutan yun dyan. Please. No outfit check. Ayun guys, gago chinat niya ako in English ako guys. Sabi niya no outfit check. Wait lang baby ko ah. Wait for me, I will do the outfit check, okay? Wait mo lang, gago. It's 2 times, right? It's 2 times. Yes, 2 times. 2 times outfit check. Ito na, kung ina mo. King ina mo, alam mo, di ka na marunong mag-Tagalog, kaya po, king ina mo. Tana. Kalma lang kayo yung mga titi nyo dyan. Kumalma kayo, ha. This is for you, Junior. Because you sent two times. Okay? Wait for it. Okay? You wait the music. Ang tagal kasi, tangay na naman ng music. Wala, hindi naman tinignan yung music. Dahil kasi.
You make it look like it's magic. I see nobody but you. I'm never confused. Hey.
Gago. Tangay na mo, nag-expect ka ba? Yun na outfit check ko. Isa pa raw kasi dalawa nga ni. Oh, one more ah. Okay, one more. You look into my eye